this particular crime was committed not in an unsophisticated way, but in a sophisticated way, in a cold and calculated fashion.
Those words from the judge as he sentenced Dalia Dippolito to 16 years in prison.
The judge handed down his sentence less than an hour ago. This after a jury convicted Dippolito of trying to hire a hitman to kill her husband.
News Channel 5's Michelle Casada followed Dippolito's third trial and was there when the sentence was handed down. Michelle?
Well, Jay Kelly, it was a little bit of a roller coaster ride of emotions in the courtroom as the judge mentioned several sentences saying none of them were appropriate. The defense team was going for 24 months and then their second proposal would have been 48 months. And then the state was going after 30 years, a maximum sentence. The judge said neither one of those sentences were appropriate. He did consider the 20 years that Dippolito was sentenced during her first conviction in her first trial. That conviction was, of course, overturned. The judge saying today that sentencing Dippolito to 20 years would have been a punishment for her appeal and said he did not believe 20 years was appropriate either. Now, the judge, of course, did sentence her to 16 years, said he had two mitigating factors that helped him make that decision. He said he was taking into account that Dippolito did not have any prior criminal history before this charge and that she's been on house arrest for 8 years. Now, of course, he could not legally consider house arrest with this sentence. She is going to be getting credit for the 163 days she has spent in jail. And today, the state prosecutors were very happy with the verdict. They said with the sentence, they said that the sentence was just and that they respect what the judge decided. State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg even spoke out just a few moments ago.
We're going to be relentless in the pursuit of justice for the victims of Palm Beach County. And if that means we have to try a case 3 times, we will, because ultimately it's about doing justice for victims of crime. And that's what we did here today.
Now, Mike Dippolito's ex-husband, the victim in this case, did take the stand today, and the judge said he felt that Dippolito's comments, Mike Dippolito's comments, that is, were very compelling to him. He reminded everyone that Mike Dippolito has been the victim in this case for 8 years, and he said he really resonated with some of Mike Dippolito's comments. Now, of course, we did talk to the defense team as well after this sentence was handed down. They have made plans to file for an appeal, and we'll have more information when that goes through. For now, that's all we have from the Palm Beach County Courthouse. Reporting live, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.